Cody Brown. Cody Brown confessed he's tired of being angry over his splits from Mary, Janelle and Christine Brown, but rebuilding his relationships with his kids is still a touchy subject. In the divorce, the ugly finger of blame has come out, Cody, 55, said during the Sunday, October 6, of Sister Wives. He claimed many of his kids have started to accuse him of never being at their house growing up. "I'm sorry. I had 4 wives. I was at your house, though, because the other wife was complaining that I was at your house," Cody quipped during a confessional. Cody shares one child with first wife Mary, 53, who confirmed their separation in January 2023. He welcomed 6 children with second wife Janelle, 55, before they parted ways in December 2022. Cody and Janelle's son Garrison died in March at Sister Wives Family, a guide to all of Cody Brown's spouses, exes and children. Cody also shares 6 kids with third wife Christine, 52, who was the first to leave him in November 2021. Cody and his remaining wife, Robin Brown, welcomed 2 children after she married him in 2014. Cody adopted Robin's 3 kids from a prior marriage as well. Sister Wives recap. Cody says he's not abandoning kids, claims some betrayed him after splits. As Cody began navigating the loss of his plural marriages, many of Christine and Janelle's kids began to pull away from their dad. According to Cody, some of them have flat out rejected me since the breakups. "They're purposefully leaving me out of their lives to punish me for a crime I did not commit," Cody told Robin, 45, during the episode. "I am only guilty of not falling madly in love with their mothers." Sister Wives, Kids Love Lives, who Cody Brown's children are dating. Cody then clarified that he never said that I don't love Janelle, even if their daughter Maddie claimed he did. "This is some rumor that was created in the family that just sows division," Cody told the cameras, alleging, "Our family was killed by gossip." Robin, however, couldn't wrap her head around Cody not taking more initiative in reconnecting with his kids during their time of need. "I'm not abandoning my children," Cody insisted. "They have betrayed," he argued, noting that it might have been inadvertently, but that's how he feels. Inside Cody Brown's relationship with his 18 kids, Peden, Isabel and Mo speak out. Robin explained that no matter what, they are Cody's kids and he needs to step up. "I think that Cody should be camping out on their doorsteps and saying, 'Hey, you are going to talk to me,'" Robin told the cameras. "Because sometimes that's just what you got to do." Cody confessed that his heart is broken after all the upheaval in their plural family, telling Robin he wants to get in a better place with her and then focus on the kids. "I'm not going to reach out forever. I'm willing to make the effort, but somebody else is going to have to be on the other end of that and make some effort too," he later said in a confessional. "I'm not going to camp out on somebody's doorstep.